Humans and other mammals. The anatomy of a typical respiratory system is the respiratory tract. The tract is divided into an upper and a lower respiratory tract. The upper tract includes the nose, nasal cavities, sinuses, pharynx and the part of the larynx above the vocal folds. The lower tract includes the lower part of the larynx, the trachea, bronchi, bronchioles and the alveoli. The branching airways of the lower tract are often described as the respiratory tree or tracheobronchial tree. The first bronchi to branch from the trachea are the right and left main bronchi. Second only in diameter to the trachea, 1.8 centimeters. These bronchi, 1 to 1.4 centimeters in diameter, enter the lungs at each hilum, where they branch into narrower secondary bronchi known as lobar bronchi, and these branch into narrower tertiary bronchi known as segmental bronchi. The alveoli are the dead-end terminals of the tree, meaning that any air that enters them has to exit via the same route. A system such as this creates dead space, a volume of air, about 150 milliliters in the adult human, that fills the airways after exhalation and is breathed back into the alveoli before environmental air reaches them. At the end of inhalation, the airways are filled with environmental air, which is exhaled without coming in contact with the gas exchanger.